Hey guys, this is Logan over at Hankster's Hot Rods. Today we have a 2012 Gecko Green Jeep Wrangler Sport. It's a 6-speed manual transmission with a 3.6 VVT engine. It's got 20x10 XT series wheels on 35, 1250, 20 tires. Toyo Open Country Xtreme. Tinted windows all the way around. Go ahead and take a look at the interior. Clean door jambs. Got black cloth. Comes with an aftermarket Kenwood head unit. 78,000 original miles. No rips or tears anywhere. Comes with the aftermarket Jeep floor mats. Aftermarket fuel cover. LED rear lights. Full-size matching spare. No chips or cracks anywhere on this rear glass. Go ahead and take a look in the back. Clean carpet. Cargo space here. Very clean. This does come with the aftermarket running boards. They are aluminum. Got the aftermarket short antenna. Again, very clean on this side. No rips or tears in the seats. Got the Jeep floor mats. They're also in the back. Power windows. This Jeep is sitting on a 4-inch suspension lift. There's no body lift. Go ahead and take a look under the hood. Your standard 3.6 VVT, power steering, power brakes. Very clean. No leaks, no cracks in the headers. No issues. This does have a clean Carfax. No accidents, no hail damage. We'll go ahead and get it fired up for you guys.